Man, what's going on with y'all Beantown gang? Today, I'm here with Beantownricky, and I just want to thank y'all for the 100 subscribers. So y'all ain't watching, and who is? And I also want to shout out Biden Bitch Sliding for always interacting with our videos, always leaving a like, a comment, always sharing it. And I also want to thank Angie for giving us this video idea. But before we even get into the video, I gotta let y'all know that my mom is heated at me right now. When we recorded our last video, she just kept interrupting what we was doing, and then she just caught an attitude. So since you got that attitude, right? Today we're here at Target. We're about to go get some sticky notes, and we're gonna be throwing it all over her car. And let's see how she like that. Get mad now. I want you to be mad now. You're like, yeah, bro, my mom has not spoken to me for like a good, bro, today is the 2-week marker of her not talking. But you wanna stay mad at me? Stay mad. But if you're gonna stay mad at me, I might as well get your reaction while doing it. So like I said, we're at Target right now. We're about to go in there, buy some sticky notes, and we'll show you when we in there. Bang! Y'all see where we at? But there's actually some grip in here. I ain't gonna hold you. Hey. Oh, what you looking at? What you looking at? Yeah. I think it's this aisle right here. Those ain't it. Oh, those are erasers anyway.
Way out of pocket.
It's probably gonna be on this wall, yeah. Right there. Bang. Oh, I might just need that, you know. 6 bills each? Looking all bricked up. We look like we got a stack of bread. You know, cheddar like the boys, boy. Let's talk that talk. You ain't talking that talk. What? I got a brick on me right now. 10 bills for some sticky icky, bro. What's up? Hey, shorty right there. Go touch that. I don't got no butt. Yeah, it don't matter, bro. Go touch on that. You better go touch that, bro. Oh, shit. That's the sticky notes that we need. Let me see. Okay, we got bricks on them, bro. Stop playing with us. Whole lot of Beantown, bro. Say it for me. Beantown. You know how we bracket. And we got some bonus ones in here. Come on, you know we got. You know how we broke in. It's easy. It's too easy. Corona. Nah, I know it's work. Damn! I did not ever think I'll be buying sticky notes. But we on our way to our mom's crib, and she's really about to get got for this April Fool's, bro. We over there right now, and let's get it. We need you to be the lookout. I know you see what's back there. And I know you see what's back there. And I know you see what you said. She's sleeping.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh no. All right, bro. But you gotta tell me when she wakes up, cause we about to force it.
She's
about to start blacking, but it don't matter, bro. She's mad at me, bro. So you might as well, you know. Where's your face at, bro? Let me see what you're looking at, bro. Oh, yeah. Say what's up, Beantowngang. Bro, yeah, oh boy, let me get a what's good Beantowngang. Bro, yeah, oh, bro. What you smiling all hard for? Man, that's shotties at. Beantown what? Beantown? Yeah. I don't know, I can't make you disrespect. Alright, bro, get out of here then. You better, bang. You about to be vexed. What's that called? Oh, yeah. She's gonna be mad at me, you might as well go all low. You might as well go all low. So we about to get started right now, and let's see. We almost done. We about to get a reaction in like a good 10 minutes, and then we're gonna call it down, call my brother down, and let's see where this goes. I told you, if my mom's gonna stay mad at me, I might as well go out with a bang. Prank time. Bro, we are done with this call, so now we're about to call Jug and see what my mom's up to right now. Let's go.
Man, just woke me up from my nap to record outside. Oh nah. Y'all go hear her.
Oh yeah! really forced it, bro. Look at the car, bro. Look at him. Look at the person stopping. He's staring at it. Yo, bro, wake her up real quick.
Should I set the camera up?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What, bro? She's not gonna get up, bro. Dang, bro.
Works. We just waited for my mom to come out, and patient game. Now it's a patient game. Y'all saw my mom's reaction. It wasn't what we expected, but at the end of the day, when she really has to come outside and clean it and has to leave for work, she's gonna be vexed. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and comment down more video ideas to see Beantowngang really get crazy, and let's get to it. Bam! April Fool. Yo, Mama Do. Mama Do. Mama Do. And you mad?
No cameras, no cameras.
Hey, don't look, don't get in there. April Fools? Nah.
Because you guys did, the both of you just as guilty as he is. Don't touch my car, please. You didn't do it, but you're just as guilty because you was with him.
April
So
Fools?
you're just as guilty as he is. This is vandalism.
Hey, for effort though, at least.
I don't deserve it like this. I don't deserve it.
Love you. Smooches. You want the bag?
Don't put that shit on my fucking car! Stop! Stop! You fucking think you're fucking cute. You think you're fucking cute. You're not fucking cute.
Don't even get loud.
I don't give a f. They can kiss my fucking ass. I don't give a f. They can suck a. Everybody can suck a. They can watch all they fucking want. I don't give a f. Yeah, it's funny my fucking ass.
Later.
Nobody asking for your opinion. Nobody asking for your input though. Just stand over there, be quiet, laugh if you want. But nobody's asking for your input. That's all I'm saying.
You said what?
That phone is under my name. Watch if it's on in an hour.
Okay.
Just watch. If your line won't be suspended in an hour.
Okay.
After I get this shit off my car.
Love you.
Suck a dick, bitch.
I love you.
Suck a dick, bitch.
I love you. Yo, Dollar. Yeah, relax, mamisita. No lloraron. As y'all can see, I just got to the crib. My mom be trying to play it off like she ain't mad, cause like she took a long time to come out. Y'all saw the beginning clips, and y'all saw when she actually came outside and how dark it was. She was trying to play it off like she wasn't mad. When we pulled up to her, y'all saw her, bro. I said as soon as I tried to put that bag on her car, that's when she exploded. That's when she went crazy. But if y'all want to see another reaction video for Mother's Day, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's get it. Beantown, get it!